Hi, Mr. Scoggins. I'm Bailey Patterson, and here's my student ID. Okay, so let's get started. The first problem that we're going to be doing is 3x minus 7 equals 19 minus x. So in order to solve this problem, we need to do the distributive property. So we're going to be 3x, 3 times x is 3x, minus 3 times 7 is 21, equals 19 minus x. The next step is to add x to both sides. 3x plus x is 4x. Minus x plus positive x cancels itself out. The next step is we're going to be adding 21 to both sides. We'll be bringing down the 4x. Negative 21 plus a 21 cancels out. 19 plus 21 is 40. The next step will be dividing 4 into both sides. 4x divided by 4 is just x. 4 divided by 40 is 10. And so x equals 10. Now, to find out if 10 is the correct answer, we will be substituting 10. We'll be substituting x for 10. So this 10 is replacing the x. So we need to do the distributive property again. 3 times 10 is 30, minus 3 times 7 is 21. 30 minus 21 is 9. 19 minus 10 is 9. So we can see that both sides equals 9. And so that means that the answer x equals 10 is the correct answer to solve that problem. The next problem that we're going to be solving is we're going to need to find the equation of the line using 2 coordinates. And those coordinates are -1 over 3, 2, and 6. Now, what I like to do to solve this problem, to make it easier to solve this problem, I like to use the x and y, or put the x and y over the coordinates. Because we need to use a formula to solve this equation, and I find it easier if I have the x and y over the corresponding numbers. So the first thing that we need to do is to find the slope of the line, and we do that by subtracting y. This is the formula to find the slope. x2 minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we know that y2 is 6, y1 is 3, x2 is 2, and x1 is -1. Now we need to evaluate the equation. 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 minus a negative 1 is also 3. And that's reduced to 1. So the slope of the line is m equals 1. The next step we need to do is to find the equation of the line, and we do that by using this formula. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So again, we know that y1 is 3, m is 1 for the slope, x1 is a negative 1. So now we need to do the distributive property again. We're going to add 3 into both sides. Negative 1 plus a negative 1, minus times a negative 1 is 4. A minus 3 plus a positive 3 cancels out. So the slope of the line is y equals x minus 4. Now you also wanted to know, you also asked us to tell you if the coordinates on the graph will either go from right to left or from left to right. So what I did is I went ahead and created a graph. I hope you can see it. And we have the coordinates 2.6, and we have the coordinates negative 1.3, and 4 is the slope. So you can see that the slope is going from right to left.